Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will go through the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure that your vacuum is unplugged and completely turned off. Safety is our top priority. Start by removing the dust bin. Simply press the button on the side to release it and set it aside. Next, locate the screws securing the trigger assembly. There are typically 2 Phillips screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the trigger assembly away from the main body of the vacuum. Be cautious not to damage any wires connected to the trigger. If you encounter resistance, double-check to ensure all screws have been removed. Now, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any debris or dust buildup. A clean vacuum performs better and lasts longer. If you notice any dirt, use a soft brush or a cloth to clean the area. If you're unsure about doing this yourself or don't have the tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. With the trigger assembly removed, it's time to replace it. Take your new trigger and align it with the mounting points. Press it gently into place until you hear a click. This indicates that it is securely fitted. Now, reinsert the Phillips screws that you set aside earlier. Tighten them just enough to secure the trigger without over-tightening, as this could damage the plastic components. Once the screws are in place, reattach the dust bin to the vacuum. Make sure it clicks into position properly. If at any point you feel uncomfortable performing these steps, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, so you won't have to worry about calls or travel. Remember, we also offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. Finally, plug your Dyson V11 back in and test the trigger to ensure it functions correctly. If everything seems to be working well, you have successfully replaced the trigger. If not, double-check the screw placements and connections. Thank you for watching our guide on replacing the trigger of your Dyson V11. With these simple steps, you can ensure your vacuum is back in perfect working order. Remember, maintaining your vacuum will help prolong its life and efficiency. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.